Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Remitly code not received issue. First, check your mobile network and make sure you have a good signal. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then make sure your phone number is entered correct in your Remitly account. Next, check if your inbox is full or you have any blocked messages from unknown numbers. Restart your phone and request the code again. If the code still does not arrive, choose the option to receive the code by voice call if available. You can also contact Remitly support to update your phone number or go to help or get help. That's how you fix the Remitly SMS code not received.